What's up, guys? Your boy Big A here. I'm at it again. I'm here at Walmart. It looks like they stocked up on some Hot Wheels, so let's get to digging. Right off the bat, you have this cool Nissan 35 GT. Nice. Ooh, this one's new. Check this out. This is the Porsche 935. And this is from 2022, and this is a case. So it looks like they're gradually hitting, guys. And here we have this cool 89 Mazda Savannah RX-7. Definitely gonna pick that one up. Here we have this cool Aston Martin. I already have that one. Geoterra. And I'm gonna try to go as quickly as possible, guys, because there's a lot of people here today and I don't want to get beaten to anything. So here we have the 2017 Ford GT. Definitely gonna take that one. Geoterra. Cool Mustang. Definitely gonna pick that one up. Okay, I already have all of those. And I do apologize if I get a little quiet, guys. Like I said, I'm trying to go as quickly as I can. Here's a new casting as well. Here's the Cardia Asada. This is a case. And here we have the Bronco. Let's shift them over. Batmobile. Bone Shaker. Acura. Cosmic Coupe. Alright guys, sorry about that. I had to make a brief pause. So here we have the Skull Crusher. Here we have the Batmobile. Here we have the Sand Burner. Another Sand Burner. And over there we have a Geoterra. And here we have this cool 85 Chevrolet Camaro. Taking that one for sure. Here we have the Moto Wing. Here we have this cool Range Rover. Batmobile. Here we have the Range Rover. Here's a Draftinator. Here we have the Bot Wheels. There's another Bot Wheels. Cosmic Coupe. And we have the Crescendo. And the Geoterra over here. And over here we have the awesome Pagani Huayra. Pick one of those up. Aston Martin. Aston Martin. Cosmic Coupe. This is a Muscle and Blown. Here we have the 19 Ford Ranger. Here we have the 2019 Ford Ranger Raptor. And here we have the Mercedes-Benz Unimog. And here is the Indy 500 Oval. Alpha Pursuit. Water Bomber. Here's a Bot Wheel. Mustang. Moto Wing. You go a little faster, guys, because like I said, there's a lot of people coming. And here's this cool 1970 Chevy Camaro. Let's see, Water Bomber. Audi. Cool Shelby, Huayra, Mustang, IROC Z, another Shelby, Batmobile, Dodge Challenger, Muscle and Blown. This is the 67 Chevelle. So this is a Hot Bird. bad. Nissan Skyline. The Honda 70 N600. Roadster Bike. Water Bomber. Aston Martin. Moto Wing. Geoterra. Oh god. Here's a 98 Honda Prelude. Batmobile. Mustang. Wyra. Geoterra. Nova Gasser. Audi. Here's the 68 Plymouth Barracuda. Challenger. Bone Shaker. Beller Gasser. And this is it, guys. Alright, gonna head on to another store. I'll catch you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so as I was walking out of the store, I ran into this little shipper here. Looks like it's already been looked through. So, I'm not gonna take too much time, but I did find this cool twin in women. And I found this cool Baja Bone Shaker. And let's see that all this has already been looked through, guys. And here's another Baja Bone Shaker. And it looks like that's pretty much it. Alright guys, I'll catch you guys in a bit. What's up guys, so I'm here at another Walmart, aka local disappointment, and nothing on the pegs here, as you can see. Take a look at these peg warmers. This one I already picked up, this cool Porsche Boxer Spider. Very nice. This one, I have this for M2 machines. This cool 1969 Plymouth Barracuda. And they have this cool M2 machines, 1967 Shelby GT 500. Not bad. Alright guys, so it doesn't look like there's anything else at this store. I'll catch you guys in the next video.